I am so excited about this unboxing. I have my first Moterm planner that I waited a long time for this. Thought it would come at Christmas time, didn't make it. It's here now, so let's get to it. This is, sorry about that, this is the A5 Moterm. I've learned about this from you guys watching online. That was basically my first exposure to this planner. Oh my gosh, I love the color. Oh, I tell you can just feel the luxury in your hands when you hold it. It really is worth the wait. It's gorgeous. I'm very happy with this. It's got pockets right there. Little flap, the zipper in here, the rings, some paper. Hey, I like white, but hey, we'll make use of that for sure. More pockets here, little flap for a pen. This is excellent. I am excited, and I look forward to going forward with this planner. This is cool. We're gonna keep moving. What I've got here underneath I want to show you guys are some freebies that we have available. These are on our Instagram account. You can find in the profile, if you click on profile, there's a link. There'll be a link there where you'll see a list of things. We've got freebies listed in the top area. You click on that and you'll see various planner sizes available with these printables. These are free. You print them out at home. The design is free to you. So this, I love this. I think this is elegant. I really do. I love the border on that. It's got to do right there in the corner. They're available in a number of different colors, so I'm just gonna flip through those for you. Trying to stay with the blush group. I love blushes. Really, really love blushes. Everybody does. I'm thinking that everybody sells them in the most popular way. They probably sell right out. This is a beautiful taupe, one of my very favorite colors. And then this is olive. This is just outstanding. It's gorgeous. I love it. So again, these are available off of our Instagram account. You'll link in there. You'll find out where you can print those off. And again, they're available in multiple sizes, so you have choices to be able to make. This is my first subscription. I signed up for subscription with Cloth and Paper. I am very excited. I'm a new customer to Cloth and Paper. I'm saving this so that I can unbox it with you guys. So let's get at it. I have been watching these guys. Their count is beautiful, their website. So if you study websites and things and want to learn as far as what the people are doing, these guys are extremely professional. You gotta love their packaging. The black and white is so incredibly elegant. Yes, I did open it so that I would hopefully not fumble with you guys and get a little bit more acquainted. This is a card I'm presuming is available with every box that they give. They tell you what's in here, let you know what you're really excited about and how to use each item. Set that aside. Oh my. This gorgeous dashboard. This is just, the printing and everything is just so amazing. Love yourself is how to teach others to love you. That's, wow, that is gorgeous. This is probably one of my favorite items in the box. I think we're all in love with these cards. This is just amazing. Be thankful for what you have and fearless for what you want. That's awesome. The minimalistic designs on these things are just gorgeous. That is awesome. Sorry, that one's upside down. Oh, that's excellent. These are all just excellent. Here, oh, they're sticky notes. You gotta be an addict to sticky notes. I am. I'm sure you guys are too. Those are great. Here they have some AM, PM cards with dots down the side. We'll be able to make notes on those. Those are excellent. Another awesome dashboard. This one says, a dream written down with a date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan broken down by action makes your dreams come true. Sorry about that stumbling. That is so gorgeous. There's luxury and simplicity. Wow. Just, oh my gosh, I swear I saw this on their account. This, I hoped I would get my hands on this. Excuse me for gawking in front of you, seriously. This is gorgeous. The beige on white on beige is just awesome. Cornered edges, I maybe think that's maybe my favorite. Or here we have an abstract dashboard. We'll just turn that around one more time. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Oh man, half pages. Half pages for an A5 are a must. They are just gorgeous. Look at these. These are excellent. Calendar, area for reminders, priorities. Flip the back, area for notes. These guys do great work, don't they? Really, really love that. Horizontal weekly. Let's see what these are about. Oh, these are excellent. Look at these. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on down. A box for each day of the week. Here's the weekend. Memos, priorities next week. Quite a few. Those are excellent. I love those. And then this last package here, purchase tracker. Oh, these are excellent. These are great. Wow. I am not disappointed. They give you a fair amount there too. Let you take a look at how many. I hope you can see. They give you a fair amount of pages in there. This is awesome. Very cool. This is our social media tracker. You can see here it has a goal box one day for every day of the week that you can check off. It's got a great section here for hashtags. Let me zoom in for you to see that a little bit. Area for hashtags right there. Has an area for a to-do list. This one is for the A5 planner that I have in my hand. It's a printable. You can print this at home. Great area. It turns onto the back side. It's printed. I know a lot of you really love to see things be able to print on the back. Notes. Next month, an area for taking notes there. And then projects. Yeah, good look on the very minimalistic look. I like to use a lot of gray ink on our design, so that was a recent new release I wanted to show you. Also, I've got something here. I guess I'm going to ask you guys if this was something that you guys would actually like to see in the account. I'll just try to zoom in so you can see that. It's today's routine. It is in tablet form. You can see the days of the week up top. Here's a to-do area for notes, and then an area for your schedule there. Let me know if that's something that you think you might be interested in seeing come out in our account. These are 2 additional freebies that are available on our Instagram account for you. You can print them out. You'll find them in A5 at this time. We hope to produce them in some additional sizes very shortly. This is also available in a 12-month bundle on our Etsy account. If you like these, you can buy the entire year on our Etsy account, one for each month. They are undated, so you can use them year after year. We are going to be trying to do freebies on our account that you can print off for your planners for the next coming months. Here is a look at some of the additional prints that are available in Etsy that you can purchase if you wish. If you like what you see here, please come back. We will have new releases often. Please be sure to subscribe if this has been helpful to you, and we look forward to seeing you in the near future. Thank you.